student who is looking to score centum? Are you a student who wants to prepare in one night? You are at right space. In today's video, we will be learning to solve the best recommended ways to solve linear equations, arithmetic progression, circles, polynomials and statistics. Let's begin with these questions. If 10, x, 18 are in arithmetic progression, then the value of x is x minus 10 is equals to 18 minus x, that is common difference is equals to common difference. Now let's add both the x and both the values, that is 2x is equals to 28. Then x will be 14, that is x is equals to 28 by 2 is equals to 14. The highest common factor of 3 and 5 is 1, because if we see the HCF 3 and 5, 3 ones are 3 and 5 ones are 5. So the highest common factor of 3 and 5 will be 1. The discriminant of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx minus c is 0 is b square minus 4ac. The formula is ax plus b plus c the whole square is equals to ax square minus b square minus 4ac. For this question, that is sine 90 degree minus theta divided by cos theta, is the answer will be 1. How? The value of sine divided by cos is always 1. The coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points P of 4, 7 and Q of 10, 3 are option D, that is 7 and 5. How? X and y is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. Now let's put x and y as 4 plus 10 divided by 2 and 7 plus 3 by 2. 14 divided by 2 will be 7, 10 divided by 2 will be 5. So the answer is 7 and 5. The equation of the line which is parallel to the line represented by the equation 4x minus 8y is equals to 11 is, let's consider these parallel lines as, this parallel line as 4x minus 8y is equals to 11 and this line as 8x plus 16y is equals to 22. Then it will be a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. So the answer will be 8x minus 16y is equals to 22. In which figure triangle ABC relates to triangle PQR, then correct relation among the following is, this is the right option, that is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to BC square by QR square. How? That is triangle ABC and triangle PQR. If BC square is equals to QR square, then it will be triangle ABC divided by triangle PQR is equals to BC square by QR square. The curved surface area of the solid hemisphere of radius r units is, the answer is 2 pi r square units. How? If we see the hemisphere, in the midpoint there are two radius, 1 and 2. So the formula will be 2 pi r square units. So now let's see this different set of questions. So the first question is, state whether the rational number 35 by 50 has a terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. If we see 35 by 50, it is divided by fifth table, that is 5 sevens and 5 tens. If we divide 7 by 10, we will be getting 0.7. Hence, 35 by 50 is proven as terminating decimal expansion. The graph of y is equals to p of x is given below. Write the number of zeros of p of x as. Now let's see p of how many number of zeros is marked in this graph for p of x. That is 1, 2 and 3. So p of x will be 3. Okay. A ladder is placed against a wall such that its foot is at a distance of 2.5 meter from the wall and it is inclined to an angle of 60 degree with the ground. Find the length of the ladder. So let's find the length of the ladder, that is AC. Now let's consider BC is wall and AC is a ladder. Let's apply cos 60, that is adjacent by hypothesis, is equals to 2.5, that is adjacent, and hypothesis is ladder, that is AC. Since a ladder has two different edges, let's take it as 2 into 2.5, that is 5 meter. So the height of the ladder is 2.5 into 2, it will be 5 meter. Write the formula to find the area of triangle whose vertices are x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Let's see the formula for x1 and y1, x2 and y2 and x3 and y3. So the formula is area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. For any event E, if P of E is equals to 0.7, then find P of E bar. Now let's find what is P of E bar. If P of E is 0.7, then let's assume P of E bar is equals to 1. 1 minus 0.7 will be 0.3. So the P of E bar is 0.3. If tan theta is equals to 1, then find the value of sec square theta. Now let's see, if tan theta is equals to 1, then theta value is 45 degree. The sec theta will be 1 by cos theta. So the sec square theta is equals to square root of 2 the whole square. Now let's remove the square root and the square. The answer will be 2. So hence sec square theta is equals to 2. In the figure, AB is a tangent to a circle with center O. P is the point of contact. If angle OAP is equals to 50 degree, then find angle AOP. Now let's find angle AOP. If we see here, if AB is tangent to the angle AOP, then OPA is equals to 90 degree and OAP will be 50 degree. If sum of all triangle is equals to 180 degree, then angle AOP will be 40 degree. In the figure, AB is tangent to a circle with center O. P P is the point of contact. If angle OAP is equals to 50 degree, then find angle AOP. If the angle OAP is 50 degree and OP is a tangent, now OPA will be 90 degree. So sum of all interior angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 90 degree minus 50 degree will be 40 degree. So the angle of AOP will be 40 degree. Write the formula to find out the total surface area of a cylinder of radius r and height h. Now, so let's see the formula for total surface area of a cylinder. So the formula is 2 pi into r plus h is the formula. Prove that 3 plus square root of 2 is an irrational number. Now let's assume 3 plus square root of 2 is a rational number and take P and Q as co-prime integer, whereas Q is not equal to 0. So now 3 plus square root of 2 is equals to P by Q and square root of 2 is equals to P by Q minus R. Square root of 2 is equals to 3Q minus P by 3Q. We have multiplied 3 into P by Q, whereas we have received 3Q minus P by 3Q. Now 3Q minus P, that is over here, divided by 3Q is a rational number, whereas square root of 2 is a irrational number. So therefore 3 plus square root of 2 is an irrational number. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 3 and 60 respectively. If one of the number is 12, then find the other number. We know that HCF into LCM will be A into B. According to the question, 3 into 60 is equals to 12 into B. Now we have to find the value for B. 3 into 60 is equals to 12 into B. 3 into 60 will be 180 and 12 into B will be the same. Now if we divide 180 by 12 is equals to B, then the value of B will be 15. Let's see now. 3 into 60 is equals to 12 into B. 12 into 15. 180 is equals to 180. Hence HCF into LCM will be equals to A into B. Solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. So here we have two different equations. Now let's solve using elimination method. The first equation is 2x minus y is equals to 4 and x plus y is equals to 11 is the equation 2. Now let's add these both equations to eliminate the value of y, then we get x. After adding, we will be seeing 3x, 0, minus y and plus y will be cancelled and 11 plus 4 will be 15. So the equation is 3x plus 0 is equals to 15. Now let's find the value of x. That will be x is equals to 15 by 3, where then x we will be getting as 5. Now let's include x value in one of the equations. X plus y is equals to 11. X will be considered as 5 plus y is equals to 11, where we will be getting as y value, that is y is equals to 11 minus 5 will be y is equals to 6. If the lines represented by the pair of linear equations, that is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0 and ax plus by minus 16 is equals to 0 are coincident, then find the value of a and b. So we know that coincidence line will be a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So the two equations are 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0 and ax plus by minus 16 is equals to 0. Then the value of a will be 2 and the value of b will be 3. Find the 26th term of arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11 using the formula. So let's find the 26th term of an arithmetic progression using a formula. So a will be 3 and d will be 4. So 26th term is equals to a plus 25th term into d. 3 plus 25, d value is 4 into d, that will be 3 plus 25 into 4 is 100, 3 plus 100 will be 103, therefore 26th term is 103. Solve 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0 by using quadratic formula. Let's solve this equation using quadratic formula. So the formula for quadratic is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now a is 3, b is minus 5 and c is 2. Let's input all these values in the formula. Minus of minus 5 plus or minus 5 square minus 4 into 3 into 2 whole divided by 2 into 3. 5 plus or minus square root of 5 square will be 25 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 whole divided by 2 into 3 will be 6. 5 plus or minus square root of 1, that is 25 minus 24 will be 1. So 1 square root of 1 divided by 6. 5 plus or minus 1 divided by 6. Now 6 plus 6, 5 plus 1 will be 6 divided by 6, or 5 minus 1 will be 4 divided by 6. If we take 6 by 6 value, then the x will be 1. If we take 4 by 6 value, then the x will be 2 by 3. In the given figure, triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Find the value of the following: sin alpha and tan beta. So let's find the values for sin alpha and tan beta. In the figure as shown, sin alpha will be opposite divided by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5. Tan beta will be opposite divided by adjacent, 3 divided by 4. Hence the roots are two different distinct real roots. A box contains 20 cards which are numbered from 1 to 20. If one card is drawn at random from the box, then find the probability of getting a perfect cube number. So the possible outcomes of a card are 1 to 20 is equals to 20. Let's find a perfect cube numbers from in between 1 to 20, that are 1, 8, is equals to 2. Therefore, the probability of getting a perfect cube number will be 2 by 20, which will be 1 by 10. Now I'll give you a bonus points. For people who are starting in last minute, I would recommend to focus on these topics first, because these are the topics which would appear in the exam. And also for people who are eagerly waiting to score 100 out of 100, I would recommend to start first with these topics and then move to the next topics. So the topics which you need to focus first are polynomials, linear equations, statistics. In statistics, problems are mean, median, mode and frequency distribution, arithmetic progressions, then Thales theorem, ogives and then circles. Please like the video. It will give us motivation to do more educational contents for you. Thank you.